Welcome back. We are getting some breaking news at the moment as the Kerala High Court has sought a report from the state government in the nun rape case. The division bench of the court has asked for a report on the progress of the investigation in the complaint filed by the nun against Jalandhar Bishop M.K. Mulakal, and the order was passed while considering 2 PIL seeking a directive to arrest Franco Mulakal. The court orally observed that none was above the law and everyone must be clear about it. So 2 PILs in the court which were put forth, and now the court has sought a report from the state government. My colleague Gopi Krishnanithan joins me on the phone line. Gopi, now this court observance of this oral order where they have said that nobody is above the law, it also comes after, bizarre developments in the case with the missionaries of Jesus also siding with Bishop Mulakal, and also the Kerala-based MLA calling this nun a prostitute.
Well, exactly, Griha, because this particular High Court judgment by the division bench is going to be a huge is going to have a huge impact in the whole investigation and the development of the case. Because over the last 4 days, we have seen the nuns and some of the people who are supporting the nuns carrying out protests in front of the Kerala High Court. And yesterday, they decided to approach the division bench of the Kerala High Court. And while considering this, there was actually 2 bills which have come for the consideration of the Kerala High Court. Both of them were demanding a directive from the court to arrest the Bishop Franco Mulakal. But the court has decided that they will consider this case on Thursday. But when the case is being considered on Thursday, they want a report from the government, which technically means the report from the investigation team on how far has the investigation progressed and what are the levels that they have completed over this long period of 76 days. It's also important to note that the court has orally observed that nobody is above the law and everyone must understand that clearly. Now, this is actually sending a very clear message to all those people who have been involved in this particular case or in this allegation, because this starts from the Kerala MLA DC George, who made disgusting remarks against the nun, towards the Bishop House in Jalandhar, which has a statement yesterday in which it actually says that the bishop is not guilty of any charges and they cannot crucify an innocent soul, was the actual translation of that particular statement given out read. So this is actually going to give out a clear message. Now the police team will certainly be under pressure. We have heard over the last 4 days when the people who are supporting the nun making serious allegations against the state police chief, DGP Loknath Behra, and the zonal IG of Ernakulam, that they were trying to sabotage the case. Now the investigation team will certainly have to prepare a updated report on the investigation, and it will have to be produced in front of the court on Thursday.
All right, Gopi, thank you so much for all your inputs on this story. And there has also been a latest development in the Kerala church nun rape case. The missionaries of Jesus in Jalandhar are now backing Jalandhar Bishop Franco Mulakal, who has been accused of raping the 44-year-old nun. The missionaries has denied allegations against the accused Bishop Franco Mulakal and said that they cannot crucify an innocent soul based on the baseless claims. The missionaries' response has shocked the entire Christian community, and despite the matter being heard in the Kerala High Court, the missionaries are supporting the accused bishop.
A banner that sums up the anger in Kerala. A fight between nuns and a bishop accused of rape. But this fight fast seems to be becoming a lonely one, with the entire might of the state and the church seemingly resisting calls for justice. In fact, some politicians and members of the clergy have gone out of their way to shame and silence the rape complainant herself. The latest to join the bandwagon is the Missionaries of Jesus that has condemned the protest by the nuns. Not only they have rushed in to declare an external hand behind the protest, but have also awarded a certificate of innocence to the accused bishop, asking how he can be crucified on the basis of false charges. The question is, why this hurry to protect by netas and the clergy?
The Catholic Church, it has got so much of institutions, so much of land, so much of influence in the government, in the party politics.
A Kanyastri is a prostitute. 12 പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരു തരി സുഖം 13ാമതാണ് ബലാത്സംഗം. എന്തുപടിയായിരുന്നു 12 നടന്നപ്പോൾ?
Sources say the Kerala police team may soon summon accused Bishop Franco Mulakal to appear before it. Even as the nuns continue to maintain that state's top cops have sabotaged the probe.
ഈ കേസിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡിവൈഎസ്പി പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടോ ഈ കേസിൽ കഴമ്പില്ലെന്ന്? എപ്പോഴും ഡിവൈഎസ്പി പറയുന്നത് ഈ കേസിൽ കഴമ്പുണ്ട്. ബിഷപ്പ് ഫ്രാങ്കോയെ കസ്റ്റഡിയിലെടുത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്യാൻ അനുമതി ഉന്നത ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥർ നൽകുന്നില്ല അയാൾക്ക്. ഈ കേസ് അട്ടിമറിച്ച് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് നീതി കിട്ടരുത്, അത് തന്നെയാണ് അവർ എപ്പോഴും ശ്രമിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്.
ആൾക്കാരുടെ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് എപ്പോൾ എടുക്കാനുണ്ടോ? ഞാനത് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. I told them as quickly as possible investigation പൂർത്തിയാക്കണം.
With survivor's family now planning to move the Kerala High Court demanding the bishop's immediate arrest, the question now remains, is it the power of the church on Kerala politics that is making organizations rush to give a clean sheet to the accused bishop? How can the government defend its laxity in the case? And most importantly, why isn't there more action and anger against an MLA who is sitting pretty after branding a rape complainant a prostitute? Why does she get shamed into silence even as he remains unapologetic? Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.